Are you struggling to create engaging video script that capture audience attention? Do you find it hard to make your content SEO friendly so it actually gets seen by more people? You are not alone. Many of us content creators feels overwhelmed by complexity of script writing tools that promise the word but deliver little. Imagine spending hours crafting a script only to see it fall flat because it's lacked to SEO optimization, need to rank higher in search results, or those losing your audience halfway through your videos because the script does not hold their interest. It's frustrating. And let's be honest, who has the time to waste on ineffective script writing methods that don't bring results? I get it. I have been there. The struggle is real and it's major roadblock in our content creation journey. But what if I told you that there's a way to turn things around, a way to make script writing not just easier, but also more effective and rewarding? Keep watching because I am about to reveal something that could change the game for you. Every day, countless videos are uploaded, and without the right script, your content could easily get lost in the sea of endless uploads. It's not just about creating, it's about being seen. When your script lack quality, you lose audience engagement. People click away, your watch time drops, and your channel got stagnant. All that effort you put into filming, editing, and promoting wasted because the script does not hold up. And let's not forget time and effort wasted on ineffective script writing methods. Hours spent brainstorming, writing, and rewriting only to end up with a script that does not perform. It's exhausting and disheartening, but it does not have to be this way. Imagine a tool that simplifies the process, boosts your ranking, and keep your audience loop from start to finish. What if you could save time and still produce high-quality SEO-friendly scripts? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to turn that dream into reality. A few months ago, I was in the exact same struggling to make my script engaging and SEO-friendly. I spent countless hours tweaking and optimizing, but the results were far from satisfying. That's when I stumbled upon maekersuite, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. At first, I was skeptical. Another tool promising is to revolution my script writing process, but as soon as I started using maekersuite, I know it was different. The interface was incredibly user-friendly, and within minutes, I could see how it was designed to solve my biggest pain point. maekersuite does not just help me to write a script, it transforms the entire process. It offers SEO optimization tips right within the platform, ensuring that every script I wrote was trimmed for a higher search ranking. I went from overwhelmed and frustrated to confident and excited about my content. Introducing maekersuite into workflow was like flipping a switch. It made everything so much easier and more effective. You are serious about taking your content creation game to the next level, then maekersuite is the ultimate that you need for SEO-friendly script. Trust me, once you try it, you will wonder how you ever managed without it. Not only did my ranking improve, but I also saw a noticeable increase in audience engagement and retention. People were staying until the end of my videos, leaving more comments and sharing my content more frequently. In short, maekersuite has a game changer for me. It took my content from average to outstanding, pushed my confidence as a creator, and freed up with a valuable time to focus on what I love, making great videos. So if you are looking for a tool that can truly transform your content creation journey, this is it. Okay, now I am inviting Mr. J. He will show you how you can easily use this tool. One more thing, if you purchase this premium plan from maekersuite, then you will have to pay $23 a month. But don't worry, because I will give you this premium plan for lifetime in just $39. You heard right. You can purchase from appsumo for just $39. Oh my god, it's actually very cheap rather than other tools.
What's good, Sumolings? I'm Jay with appsumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today we're looking at maekersuite, the AI-powered video platform that analyzes millions of videos to help you create SEO-friendly scripts in 15 minutes. It's tough to keep creating high-quality video content with limited time and budget. Luckily for you, maekersuite analyzes millions of hours of content to help you create SEO-friendly scripts in minutes. Let me show you how to use the research feature. Just add a keyword or phrase. Then click Start Exploration, and maekersuite will provide 5 of the best video examples related to your topic. You can prompt the AI to generate new ideas and video titles, or comb through the data yourself. maekersuite's AI also generates a 4-quadrant chart that breaks down which high-performing videos are also highly relevant. When you click on a specific topic on the chart, you'll see stats on volume, engagement, and related video content. If you're geeking out about that, you're gonna love this. When you toggle over from the bubble graph, you'll see another graph. This one collects data from every single video that covers your topic, including interconnected subtopics. If you see a line between videos, that means they're recommending each other. If you're still watching, then this is your sign to buy maekersuite today. Unless you don't like saving time and money on video production, no judgment. Let's check out the Analyze Video feature. To get started, you just need to add the video URL. maekersuite will instantly pull info on the video's performance, sentiment score, and watch intensity over time. Don't forget to click on Advanced Insights to get the transcript and topic outline. That way, you can break the video down beat by beat. With the research and analysis out of the way, it's time to write your script. Well, actually, it's time for maekersuite's AI to do that for you. Just share your video brief, choose the tone, and set the goal, length, and target audience. Then, just click Generate Outline, and maekersuite will create an entire outline that you can edit. Once you've revised the outline, click Write Script and get to editing. Just highlight any section to pull up your AI toolbar. You can ask the AI to check grammar and spelling, change paragraph length, translate, or change the tone. With each script, the AI will even generate talking points, tags, and a general description. And if you're writing a script from scratch, you can still use the AI toolbar to edit everything. Okay, if you're still watching, then you need to grab this lifetime deal on maekersuite. But do it fast, because this deal won't be around for much longer. Click Buy Now to start using maekersuite today.
Alright, hope you liked the video. If yes, then click on the red subscribe button because we are so close to 10k subscribers. And if you have any doubts and questions regarding appsumo or maekersuite and regarding this video, then you can comment below. So see you in this video.